from my heart to your screen. Welcome to another vlog. Look what I got. So I'm actually very excited about this. It is from a brand called the Clone. They reached out to me, and of course I'm gonna have all coupon codes and everything in the description box for y'all. Oh my goodness, this is how it comes. I got a 1.7 fluid ounce. I got 4. And I got Naked Cherry, number 3. This one is inspired by Lost Cherry. I think it's Tom Ford because I've never actually smelled Lost Cherry, so I'm gonna have to actually go smell it now so I can compare it to this one. I also have Symphony by Louis Vuitton. So this one is Lost in Symphony, number 83, and it's inspired by Symphony by Louis Vuitton, which I have smelled Symphony by Louis Vuitton. I have Symphony by Louis Vuitton, so I'm very excited to see how this one smells. I've had Black Opium, loved it. Somebody actually took it, and so I no longer have it, but this one is called Lady on Fire. It's number 23. It's expired by Black Opium. So I'm happy to have this one, and I hope that it really does smell like the epitome of it, because baby, you talk about used to love that one, And then this one is Brave in Love, and it's inspired by Love Don't Be Shy by Killian, which I got Robin, if y'all paid attention to that previous vlog when I took her shopping and everything like that pre-prom. She got her own fragrance of that one, and baby, she was so happy to be just a girl. So let's open these. Let's see how they smell. This one, like I said, 1.7 fluid ounces, y'all. That's a full bottle. That is a full bottle of perfume. All right, so this is the packaging. This is how it looks, and then it even will tell you on there the Clone is the brand. I love that. I love that. And like I said, this is Naked Cherry, number 33. I already have something on for today, but we still about to smell. And I want to see how it sprays. Love it. Okay. Oh. Oh. And let me tell you something. I have the Dove Cherry Body Wash, and it layers so perfectly under. Oh, this smells good. Under a lot of. Oh, baby, this does make me want to go smell what his smells like, because this is good. I've never been able to smell this particular one, because every time I go to Sephora or Macy's or Dillard's, they don't have it in there, and so I never drive way to Dallas to the mall, you know, to go smell everything. But ooh, that smells good. Okay, so we like. All right, let's do Symphony, because I know how Symphony smells. Ooh, that smells good, and it's like lasting. It's one spray. One. Y'all, this is so cute. Now, I'm gonna tell you something. I love that the bottles are dark. I feel like, especially if you put your, even though you're not supposed to, but like my perfume stand, it's not in direct sunlight, but my room is just no way around it. I have a lot of sunlight in there, and when you have darker bottles, it keeps stuff from, like, you know, leaving faster. Oh, oh, I already smell it. It smells just like it. Oh my goodness. I don't always like spraying stuff on the cardboard, because then it gets a different smell, so I'm going to. Oh my goodness, y'all, I swear it smells just, I am not saying this just because it's from the brand, because I'm always very honest with anything that I open as from a brand or from whatever. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, they really encaptured Symphony. They really did. They really did. They really did. Because Symphony is more for the guy, but it can be worn for a woman. It's kind of like one of those that's like a unisex, and so that was kind of why I got it, because I don't really do a lot of unisex smells, but it smelled so good that I got it, and I got it in a sample size, and I started finding myself continuously spraying it. And when I tell you, this is, oh my goodness, I cannot wait to put these on my perfume stand, like, that's for sure. This one is inspired by Black Opium. So like I told y'all, I have that when somebody took it. Matter of fact, even though I have other stuff on, I'm just gonna spray this one on the back of my hand, because being that the other two performed in the way that they're supposed to, I just have a feeling this one is gonna do the same. Y'all, this is like God just sent me my perfume back for me not to have to even go buy it again. What? What? Baby, they need not say inspired. They need, I know why they saying inspired, but they need not say inspired by. They need to say, you know what? I'm not even gonna say what they need to say. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I feel like I don't even have to go try to find Lost Cherry and smell it, because, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. And last but not least, we have Love Don't Be Shy, which I loved this one. Yeah, if y'all know anything about the Killian bottles, those are almost $400 bottle perfumes. And so Robin was saying how she was completely out of hers already. I shouldn't say already, because it's been 2 years now. Baby, stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. When I said stop playing with me, I really don't want to put these back in the box, but I feel like I want to continuously show them to y'all in things. This is so good. Stop playing with me. All right, y'all. Baby, stop playing with me. Shout out to the Clone. Thank y'all so much for sponsoring today's video. I absolutely love each and every scent that I chose. They also have other scents. I'm going to direct y'all to the website. I'm going to put everything in the comment section and in the description section of the video. So please make sure to go check it out. Use my code and check out the Clone. Very affordable, very much worth it. If you are just kind of getting into perfumes or perfumes and you kind of just want to see and you don't know, you want to try something and you're afraid to, you know, spend as much, oh my goodness, this would be a great, great, great brand to start with. Oh my God. All right, y'all.